Okay, it's Sunday, May 3rd, and came out a few hours ago, and I was looking. The colored door entrances are not in the sequence that I had intended on doing, so I'm going to attempt to rearrange the order. Some of the top two boxes, I think I can get away with just turning the boxes around and putting the other entrances on the front. And then I'll put all the blues on the left-hand side. And then I'll probably have to go ahead and flip the order so that the blue and green, the two blue and greens are side by side, or one on top of the other. But I got my smoker the first time today. I got my gloves. I got my hive tool. I don't think I'll need the hive tool. They are kind of crowded around this door. I think I'm going to smoke this door just a little bit, get them to go inside, and close off this door. Because I want them to realize there's another door. Well, that was a fluke chance. I just happened to check the camera within a few seconds after the memory ran out. So I've cleared up a little memory, and you see that's all it took to get all the doors arranged on the left side, is just turning the hives around. But now that I look at it, I really, for some reason, want the green door on the top down by the green door on the bottom. I can't explain it. I'm weird. So sue me. I don't know. I'm joking. Don't sue me. I ain't got anything worth getting. But to fix this, I'm just gonna take those top two off again and reorganize the order. And while I've got it open this time, I'm gonna double check and make sure the vent in the divider on the bottom is open. If I can get off the ground, I sat down on the ground to work the camera for a moment. I guess I might need the hive tool. They've already got that divider locked in. See, all I'm doing is, you see how that one's closed off? I'm making sure, I was just making sure at least 2 of the vents are open where they could pass through. See, if I rotate it, the holes get smaller where they can only feel each other. Smell each other. Now I have all 3 open where they can walk through from one side to the other, and I'll simply replace it back in the hive. Oops, a very specific slot for the divider to fit. You have to put it in on both sides for it to fit properly. Now, I'll go ahead and smoke this top bit down. I accidentally crushed a few bees yesterday when I put them together, put the hive boxes together. Take the dead squash bees out of the way. This box up on top. Lock that down, and then I'll put the feeder box back on top of that on both sides. And then lock the lid back. Come back, check the... Yes, we are still recording, so... Alright, now I'll try to smoke them all back into the entrance. They're not wanting to go back in the entrance, they'd rather take flight. But basically that's all I'm doing today. Before they get too used to the colors in a certain order, I wanted to swap the order around and make it the order that I like. I wonder, do I have a green door on the other side? I can make all of them. Yes, I do. Well, it should really change up the sequence, though. I've got another green door on the back side that I could swap. It was just held on with a screw. I'm trying to decide quickly if I want to do it. I think I will. I brought a screwdriver out with me just in case I decided to do this. Dropped the door. Fortunately, I was able to hold on to the screw. I don't know that I would ever find the screw out here. That screws. Alright, this video is taking me a little longer than normal to post. It is currently Tuesday, May 5th, I think. I know it's May 5th. Yes, Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. You may have noticed that I started to say and got cut off that screw, what I started to say is a tensioning screw. If you tighten it too much, it will actually make it where you can't rotate the door to open or close it. So the tighter you get it, the harder it is to turn. But if you leave it too loose, it will just spin and fall to the open position. The door is just naturally designed to be balanced that direction, or bottom heavy on that direction, or however you want to say it. But I did get everything finished that day. I was not aware that the video had cut out right away, but I had run out of memory, and it's taken me a few days to go through and figure out what apps I wanted to delete off my phone to make room for more recording. And for the moment, I think I've got enough where I can at least finish this video. And it's not all the videos that I make either, because I'm always deleting videos that once I've posted them to YouTube, I'm deleting the photo. I'm tongue-tied. Once I post the videos to YouTube, I'm deleting them off my phone to make room for the next video, because the storage is very limited. But as always, if you have questions, put them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. If you would like to support the channel, I will have links in the description that take you to Amazon and Apimaye and a few other places that you can order much needed items, whether it be to take care of the bees or to do other projects around the property that I want to do videos on. Excuse me. But you, like I said, you can find those links in the description. And until next video, see you later.